We are now at above €1,000. So this small trading platform that I started using, like by putting bits and pieces in here and there, is now over €1,000. Hello, my name is Ellie. This is Planning and Finances, and today I am going to give you an update on how my portfolio has grown over the last year. Just a disclaimer before we get into everything, I am not a professional. This is just what I have done with my portfolio. I would advise you to look into everything yourself, and also to be aware that you can make losses here too. So it's not that, oh, I'm going to invest and I'm going to instantly grow my money. That unfortunately is not how it works. And you'll see that by me showing you what I've invested in now. You'll see there's quite a few in red, one or two that I'm surprised at. But yeah, with how the market has been lately, there is some in red, there's some in green. So let's check out how I am doing. Okay, so here I'm going to put up my screen now. You can see my Trading 212 app. So at the top you can see there that the fund is valued at €1,039, and then it says portfolio. This is what has been invested. This also does include free shares. So then you can see return, and that means that the portfolio is up like €54, so 5%, which is a big difference on last year. Sorry, quick look. Last year it was up 33%. So as you can see, a big effect on the market, but that's okay. So that's one thing that I will say is whatever I invest in here is money I am willing to lose, but it's also money that I am going to let stay here and just do what happens. I don't buy and sell really, I really just buy. So let's get into more of it here. So we scroll down. There is some new companies. I started invested in a few more dividend companies. So let's see. So I have 3M, and that is down at the moment. So that is down 15% on what I bought it. For a good while that was up. I have Google here, which is down 16% as well. Now, as you see, these are only small amounts that I have invested. Like, I don't have the money to buy a whole share of Google or a whole share of Tesla or something like that. So that's why I like Trading 212, because I can buy partial shares. So this is kind of what drew me to the app. So it gives me the option of still being able to buy into these larger companies for like a fraction price, obviously a fraction share too. So then we have AT&T. This is one that I've had, probably one of the first shares that I bought, and this is at down 21%. Now this is a dividend share, so it doesn't usually fluctuate a huge amount. A new share then that I got was Coca-Cola. That's after going up 32%. Next is EasyJet. I've actually not purchased any EasyJet shares. These came from free shares. So if you sign up to start a Trading 212 account, I will leave a link below. It is an affiliate link, and when you sign up you get a chance of a free share, and so do I. So I think it's at and valued from like €8 up to €100, but it's worth setting up an account with an affiliate link to get that free share. Next I have General Electric, and that was the same. That was a free share. I'm not sure why it says 0.5, but General Electric came from a free share too. iShares Clean Global Energy, like, I'm quite surprised at this. I have 4 shares. It's down 18%. Pretty much straight after I bought it, it kind of dropped. And I thought clean energy was going to be on the rise, so I am a bit surprised about this. One of my biggest dividend payers, one of my favorite stocks, Johnson & Johnson. You can see I have €144 with them, so it is one of my bigger holdings, and it's up 31%, which is great. Next up is Marks and Spencer's. I think this is probably one of my favourite shares. It is a dividend paying share, but it's not paying dividends out at the moment. It's up 53% at the moment. Now, at one stage, this was up 170% for me. So this is taking a drop, just not a lot lower, but it's still doing well. Up 50%, I cannot complain about that. Next up we have NEO. I have 5.7 shares of NEO and I am down 36%. I think I am probably very lucky on this one. I'm sure other people that bought NEO could be down a lot more if they didn't sell on time, because I originally bought NEO before it was even talked about at all, and I bought it for like €10. So I got like 3 shares at €10, and then I've bought bits and pieces since. Next up is Nvidia. Now this is a dividend paying stock. It's another joke. I get like 1 cent. 1 cent I receive in dividends from Nvidia. But it's up 57% at the moment, which is fantastic. It has been slowly grown and grown. Then I have Pepsi, which is up 42%. So you can see the drinks companies are going well. Like Coca-Cola was up and now Pepsi is up as well. Phoenix Group Holding, this is down 16%, but this gives a pretty okay dividend payout, I think about 56 cents, and for only having €14 invested in it, 56 cents is like really decent. Progressive Software, this one has been up and down like a yo-yo, but I got this as a free share, and when I got it, it was worth like €48, so that was a very good free share to get. So I'm happy with whatever that is. Next up is Tesla. So I have 4% share of a Tesla share, worth €36.42, and that is up 100%. I definitely think I should have bought a bit more of that, but I'm happy with that. Next up is Tilray Brands, and that's down 59%, say 60%. I'm not too bothered. This was a free share, so it's now worth €4. It was €8 when I got it. It is what it is. We'll just take that. Next up is Unilever. I'm surprised it's gone down, but as I said, the market has kind of been a bit all over the place. Unilever, I bought the brand because it's a brand I like, and it's down 10% at the moment. So look, it's a good dividend share to have, and I think it's going to come back up again. The Vanguard S&P 500, so this is the EFT that I own. You can see I have a higher amount in here. It's €104 and it's up 14%. So I will be putting more into this. I am going to look more at EFTs. I've just kind of, used this at the moment to learn about a few shares and to see what happens over time. And as I said, this is a learning account for me, but I am definitely going to look up and invest in some more EFTs. And the last one is Warner Brothers, and I'm going to say I don't remember buying this, and I can't find it in my history, and it's kind of weird the way it is. It just says plus 655, so I'm not too sure what's going on. But look, it's up 655, so obviously 0.39 shares. I'm not too sure, but there you have it, guys. That is the list of my portfolio. So yeah, as you can see, there's quite a lot of red there. There's some green there. It is very up and down. Up until a few months ago, pretty much all those accounts were in green, and I think that's what happens with investing. And I think the thing is, I remember when I first opened this account, I first opened my Trading 212 account, I looked at it every day, guys. I was obsessed, honestly obsessed. I looked at it every day, and now I don't open it at all. I'm trying to get more regular at investing. I'm going to try put in €50 every single month into it, and that's the only time I really look at the app. My motto is to just set it and forget it. People say that investing should be boring, and I totally agree with that. You know, you can get too obsessive and you can start selling and buying all the time. But unless I see something that I see drastically turning, or a company announces something that I think is going to affect the market, otherwise I'm just going to stick these companies out for the long haul. I'm happy with the ones that I have purchased. I might sell some of the free ones in future when they come in, and put that money into companies that I do like and see maybe possible future growth with. So that could be something that I look at. If you are interested in dipping your toe in the investing water, there is so many apps that you can look at. Like, it's come such a long way from years ago of going to a financial advisor in a big company and setting it up. There is these platforms now that make it so much more accessible. I have looked at a few of them, and Trading 212 came up tops for me. It's so simple to use. I've been using it over a year now, and I've had no issues at all. And I really like the fact that I can buy a partial share. So it means if I just want to invest €2 in a company, I can. So it kind of takes the pressure off that you need to invest a lot. Like with other platforms, you would need to buy a whole share. And as I said, like with Google or Tesla or something like that, I don't have that money. And I think when you're starting off, that's a huge leap. So this would be something that I would consider. So as I said, I will leave a link below. If you sign up using this link, you will get a free share to get you on your way. We got cut off there. Oh, my camera cut off. No more memory. So we're switching to the phone, but it's okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you've liked this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment. It makes a huge difference to me getting monetized on this channel, which is a big goal of mine for this year. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.